Everywhere you go, I said, Bill Weir. Everywhere you go, there's a Bill Weir. Everywhere you go, I said, Bill Weir. Everywhere you go, I said.
Morning weirdos, quick test to see if I can separate the audio from the video from this track. Let's see what's going. 10 seconds and 13 and 14, 15. So, Airbnb is simple, it's easy, but there's a lot of simple and easy things you've got to learn and get right and create your lost for words, it's one of those days. You've got to create your own persona. You are you, nobody else is you, and people will book because of you. And this is seen from your reviews from other people. That's the only way they know about you, what other people say about you. So everybody is different, but generally people are good. You're inviting people, if you're just renting a room, you're inviting people to stay in your home, or if you're renting the whole place, you are trusting your property with these people. People have been renting and staying in other people's places for a long time. Hopefully it's a lot easier if you do it in your own area. To do it remote is another element of risk and control, but basically people are good. If you communicate with the people, and you're on the same page and you understand what's happening and what you expect of them and what they expect from you, which is described in your property, things are great. It's really fun. I've had thousands of guests stay with me, and I'm still in contact with a lot of them because I thought they were really nice and funny, and I can't believe some of the things that people say about me, and it's humbling. But I enjoy this for the contact and the people and the jokes and the stories, and everybody's different. Everyone's got a story to tell. And I've had a lot of people come back and refer their friends. Oh, you're going there, go and stay with Bill. And it's great fun. Where you live, you may be in a university town, you could be in a tourist place, you could be in an industrial place where a lot of staff and management need temporary accommodation. But that's what you're providing. And a lot of people now love to stay in Airbnbs because of the facilities. For the same money or less, they can stay in a nice home, and after the work they can relax instead of being back into a little normally smaller hotel room with less facilities. So this is where Airbnb has found its niche. The Americans say it's niche, but we say it's niche. I won't get into the potato thing, but you know where this is going. Anyway, so that's what Airbnb is about. That's how it actually runs and operates. There's loads to do, and I'm going to put up a video at least once a week, so there'll be loads of stuff to go through. Leave your comments below if there's anything you're not too sure about. I don't comment on individual situations. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a legal representative of Airbnb or anyone. I'm just telling you how I did it, how I've done it, and that I've had a lot of fun doing it, and I've paid a few bills doing it along the way. And I'm prepared to give you all this information while I drink my cup of tea and have a biscuit. So there you go. So please subscribe. There, I think. There's a thumbs up if you like what you've just heard, and there's a little bell if you want to be notified straight away. Just click on the bell. What are they saying? Smash that like button. It's your mouse. You do whatever you like. Click on that bell and you'll get notified straight away when my next video comes up. And I plan to do, as I say, at least one a week, and I'm going to cover the whole of Airbnb, the whole of hosting, what I know, what I don't know, other things about me. I'll throw a few little funnies in there as well. As you can tell, I don't have the teeth for laughing, but I like to have a bit of fun and laugh as much as I can. So let's do this thing. Let's have some fun. And as I say, tell your friends, subscribe, and if you've got any questions, ask them now. I do read all of my comments. I will try to reply to as many as I can, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of you with a lot of questions, and let's do this thing together and have some fun. Okay, so without further ado, I'm off. It stopped raining, so I'm going for a little walk. See you later next time. Well, here we are, early morning, Castanian bound, which is the little peninsula on Lake Lucerne, and we've got the lovely sun coming up. You might also hear some cowbells in the background, as we've got a field full of dairy cows just behind the school.
Bill Weir, everywhere you go, there's a Bill Weir, everywhere you go, there's a Bill Weir, everywhere you go, there's a everywhere you go, there's a Bill Weir, 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 Bill Weir, Bill Weir, there's a Bill Weir.
Chicken. So, they're getting soft. Look, they're getting soft. All the heavy stuff, 52 grand, 65 grand. They've taken them out the window. Oh, that's shite. I would have bought a watch, but I couldn't. I came last night to have a look. 86 grand for that fella then. They've taken it away. They've left the 28 grand one there. What's that about? I mean, so what they're trying to say is people won't steal a 28 grand Rolex, but they would a 54 grand Rolex or an 86 grand Rolex. Come on. What would be the difference in the insurance policy? I wonder.